Hello everybody, I'm UX Gaming and welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to be building a realistic elevator and showing how you can also build it step by step. So this is all the redstone. As you can see, it's not a hard elevator to build, and I will show you how to build this step by step. But I will first show you how the elevator actually works. So the elevator is in the first floor. You can just walk in and press the button, and as you can see, the doors will close and you will go up, and once you're up, the doors will open. Now this elevator actually also has a call function, so if the elevator is at the second floor and you are at the first floor, you can just press the button and the elevator will go down to you, and once the elevator gets there, the doors will open. Before I start the tutorial, I just want to say that I have designed this elevator myself, and I have spent a lot of time, sweat and tears to making this design, so please subscribe to the channel, I would really appreciate it. But anyways, let's get into the video. So all I have built is just the front of the elevator here. As you can see, there are 2 floors and there is a 5-block gap between them. This is the minimum height for this elevator, or it should be. You can just build a staircase if it's lower than this, but this is what the elevator is for, and even higher. You can build this as high as you want. These are all the materials you will need. These stone bricks can be any building block, and these are just for the front side of the elevator. These can be any blocks. The number of the observers will vary depending on the height. So the elevator shaft is 10 by 8 and is 4 blocks deep. So what I mean by that is you are going to have to dig out a rectangle. So as you can see, if I go here, as you can see, there is 4 blocks here. So you want to go 3 blocks out on each side like this. As you can see, this is 10 blocks, and then you want to go 8 blocks like this. So as you can see, here is 8 blocks and here is 10 blocks. Now you just want to dig this out and make this hole 4 blocks deep. Your hole should look like this when it's done digging out. First we will start by going on the back side here, and you want to find this back wall right here, and you want to count 1, 2, and on the 3rd block you want to place an obsidian and an obsidian like that, and this should be in the middle of this gap. Then you want to grab yourself 4 sticky pistons, and you want to place 2 on this side of the door and also 2 on the other side like this. Then you want to grab a building block by choice and place 1 at the bottom sticky piston right here, as well as on the other side. Then you want to put a redstone dust on top of those blocks, as well as extend it 1 more and add a redstone torch on each, and they should close. Then you want to go 1 diagonal to this like this, as well as on the other side. Then add a redstone dust on each of those blocks. Then you want to place 2 blocks like this, making a shape, and do the same on the other side. Then you want to go 1 below like this, and you want to make a staircase out of your building blocks, and do the same on the other side. Then you want to add redstone on all of those building blocks. Then you want to go on the front of the elevator, and you want to place a button right here on the right side. Then behind that button you want to place 1 note block, then an observer when you're crouching and facing, so that the face is facing the note block. Then you want to place another note block, then another observer, then another note block. Then you want to go under this note block, and you want to place observers till it faces the ground like this. Then you want to place redstone dust like this, so it does a bit of a curve. Then you want to make it go to both of these obsidian blocks like this. Then you want to place 2 repeaters like this, and then 2 normal pistons, and you want to move these 2 obsidian blocks one behind like this. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. And now you are done with the entire system at the bottom level. Now we will actually build the elevator cabin itself. First you want to grab temporary blocks and place them like this. Then you want to place 2 observers, then break these so that they are facing air. Then you want to place 2 sticky pistons on top of those, and 2 slime blocks on the left side and 2 honey blocks on the right side. Then you want to go here and you want to place 2 observers facing the air, then 2 sticky pistons, and then 2 slime blocks and 2 honey blocks like this. Then you want to make a C out of the slime by placing 1 here, and then 2 here and 1 here, and you want to do the same for the honey block side. Now you want to grab whatever blocks you want your elevator to be made out of, and you want to place them on the slime blocks like this, and place sea lanterns on the top so it should look like this. Now we will go to the top level, and we want to place pistons right above those that we have done here. Make sure they are sticky pistons. Then you want to go to the bottom sticky piston on the second floor, and you want to place two building blocks coming out of those like this. Then you want to place 1 redstone dust on each side, as well as a redstone torch like this. Then you want to make a stairway going 4 blocks down, exactly like what I'm doing right now. First 3 diagonal ones at each side, and then 1 curving inwards. Then you want to place redstone dust on all of those building blocks. Then you want to place a stone button at the second floor on the right side, just like this. Then you want to place a note block behind it, as well as an observer and another note block. Then you want to place another observer, another note block, and another observer. Then you want to place another 4 observers, then 1 note block here, and then 3 more observers. Then you want to make a platform beside the ending observer like this. You want to place 4 blocks. Then place 2 redstone dusts here and 2 repeaters here. Then you want to place 2 pistons, normal pistons, just like this. Then you want to go back to the first floor, and we're gonna add some decoration blocks just to fill in the holes, and these side holes we'll fix later. Do the same for the second floor. Then you want to go to the roof of the second floor. Then you want to build 2 blocks like this. These are temporary. Then once you see you are over these 2 blocks, you want to place 2 obsidian over them like this, and remove the temporary blocks. Then now we will see if the elevator actually moves upwards. Perfect. I will now fill in the side holes with iron blocks. Just place blocks along the side of the piston right here. Do the same on the other side. Then you want to go to the elevator itself, and you want to place 1 redstone block at each side of the bottom 2 blocks like this. Then I will go into the elevator and I will fill in these gaps. I'm also taking the elevator down, and I will fill in these gaps here. Now if you just want an elevator that goes up and down without a call function, it's completely done now. But if you want a call function, there's just a small thing that you need to do. Go to the second floor and you want to find this second note block here that should be on an edge. You want to go below it and you want to just place observers until you reach this note block down here. Then you want to go to this note block down here and you want to place observers until you reach the note block up here. And that should be it. As you can see, I can now take the elevator upwards. And I should also be able to call the elevator. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I worked a lot on it, so please do subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.